name is Maryam Saleem. Today I'm here with my team to introduce GoClean, a welfare project conceived during the pandemic, motivated by my own health issues and the pits of waste causing contagious diseases and environmental pollution. As we drown in our own waste, my solution is simple. Collect organic waste by providing free bins and putting organic waste into biodigesters given to below poverty line households and educate them to produce biogas and create awareness for selling BioSlurry, a waste product of biogas, creating a sustainable circular economy.
There is a lot of pressure on the new generation, and this is the high time when we all have to work together with them so that their generation and their coming generation should also be in a green environment. The way things are going down and destroyed by the people around, I personally believe that really a lot of change is required so far.
I find our story very motivational. First, we have built a like-minded team. We have done research of available technology and shortlisting our associates. We have surveyed the site, and in 3 months' time, we selected the first site for our project, which is a slum area of Mirpur, shortlisting 5 families. We conducted awareness and seminar campaigns motivating people to use the organic waste. Our venues were Kachi, Abadi, Chamber of Commerce, students who could volunteer in the cause, building a sustainable community, ensuring project success.
So once talking about the integrating learning in school curriculum, Beaconhouse always comes at forefront to counter such parts. That's why the platform called Spark Tank being provided to students to showcase their talent and learn ways to promote it. And the project which you basically picked up, that is the waste management project, converting into biogas transportable cylinders through providing free waste bins, training mob involving community government, and particularly working on sustainable goals of this project by mentoring and preparing the young children. That is amazing, and that is definitely going to work a lot on us.
First of all, we found the sponsor. We provided free bins and initiated first-time floating structure biodigesters for domestic biogas production, again free of cost. Now these biodigesters are producing biogas for domestic cooking, helping ladies. The BioSlurry is being sold in local nurseries and farms, making the project self-sustainable. We also have a team leader ensuring maintenance and management, and it's all volunteered. The biggest motivation is cost benefit these people are getting by saving money on buying fossil fuel gas for domestic use, and at the same time, trees cut before for firewood are standing tall.
So many other countries who are already onto it, that they have got the zero waste developed countries in the world. So why not Pakistan, and starting from Mirpur? Why not that? And you have rightly picked that area, and I personally believe that, or maybe I can see within the 2 years' time, Mirpur at least will be free of this compassion, and I can see that the biogas, the project of the biogas must be flourishing probably within the 2 years' time.
लकड़ियां आने आंदा बालने आ ते गैस लगी जाए तो बहुत फायदा है भी तुसां बड़ी बहुत नेकी है।
Thank you very much for giving your time. We look forward to you being part of our green team.